Welcome back to Design with Miyoshi. I didn't make the exploded view drawings for the axle wheel assembly, so we're going to do that now. So first thing we're going to do, I opened up the drawing or the model already. But first, I want to thank Northwest Technical Products for sponsoring this video. If you are part of an educational institution in Washington, Alaska, Oregon, Idaho, or Montana, contact Northwest Technical Products for all your SolidWorks and other technical needs. Thanks, Andrew, and all the crew at Northwest Technical Products. I'll do an exploded view. And exploded view is kind of fun. We're going to go ahead and you just look over here and you can see the steps. You can see what you need to do. I'll just click on a part. I'll just click on that, the wheel. And I like to move them with this X, Y, and Z. So I'm just go ahead and move it out this direction. And I'll put it out there. Let's put it out there 3 inches. I'll just hit tab, and then I'll hit down when I'm done with that. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'll grab the part here, which is the washer. I'll move it the same direction. And I'll just move it out 2 inches. And then I'll hit done. And there's my exploded view. Pretty exciting, right? I'll hit the check. And then I'll go ahead and save this guy out. Now, once I'm done with that, I'll make a drawing from this guy. Make a drawing from assembly. Hit OK. One of the few times I'll pull it from over here. I'll just do exploded, isometric exploded. There we go. And then I'll just hit OK. What I want to do is I want to make a table with the bill of materials. So I'll put that in there. This is the top level only. If I was doing a subassembly, I'd do indented with detailed numbering, but I'm not doing that. Let's do top level because there's only one top level. It is a top level. So OK. And I'll stick that over there somewhere. I'll right click on description. Oops, not description. I'll right click on column C. Right click on column C, and I'll do delete because I don't have anything there. So I'll delete the column. Then I'll grab this cross with the arrows on it and pull it right to the corner. Now, since I've got so much room, I might change the size of this guy, but we'll put the balloons in there first. I'll click on bill materials, auto balloon, and I'll just click on this view. And there's my balloons. The balloons tell me what everything is. So if I click on each balloon, I can click on the part, but if I click on each balloon, I can actually move each balloon as well and make them look maybe a little more beautiful, something like that. Again, I can change this guy's scale. And it says 1 to 2 down here. Let's go ahead and change this to a 3/4. So I'll right click on sheet, go to properties. Oops, one thing. Let's right click on sheet format and go to sheet properties. Let's change this to 3/4. 3, 4, 3:4. Apply the changes. Oh, yeah, that looks really nice. I'll move that over there, more in the middle. And even though this blue dash line square or rectangle is kind of below there, that's okay because there's nothing there. So that's good. I'll hit OK. And I'll right click on sheet format 1, edit sheet format. Again, I'll put my name in there, all caps, and I'll put the date in there. Oops, double click, put the date in there. And I'll put my design firm name in there, double click. Come on. Okay, double click. Oops, can't spell my name. I like that, change that to 14. Double click in the title. And we'll do semi-X. Oops, actually, yeah, this is axle wheel. Let's do axle wheel sub, or axle wheel subassembly. Again, I could change the size of this guy. Actually, let's do that. Let's go ahead and change this guy to maybe 18. And we'll get to that, and we'll make this sub. There we go, axle wheel subassembly. There we go, we'll get that, right click sheet format, edit sheet. And there we have it, all ready to go. We'll save this guy up. Axle wheel drawing, that's good. Let's save. And of course, we'll do save as. Axle wheel. Oops, change this guy to PDF. Save. There we have it. All ready to go. Our axle wheel subassembly part, or exploded view and drawing. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time on Design with Miyoshi.